In this tutorial, I'll going to show you how to manipulate your outdoor portrait photo. So let's get started and stay with me until full tutorial. At first, open your Photoshop, then open your image. Then press Ctrl J for duplicate your layer. Then select your spot healing brush tool and remove your skin all spots. Then select mixer brush tool and weight, load, mix and flow increases or decreases as your desire. Now hold Alt key and click on your skin to take sample of the skin. Now easily drag on your face for quick retouching. Also retouch your all skin. Then hold and drag this lip image. Set your tree lips image. Now another drag and hold on your image. Click on mouse, right click and flip horizontal. Now minimize Photoshop and take falling leaves. Set your falling leaves. Now press Ctrl J for duplicate layer your falling leaves. Press Ctrl T and resize. Hold Ctrl key and select these two layers and press Ctrl E for merge. Now select lasso tool and easily select some leaves and go to filter, then blur, then Gaussian blur. Here given radius then OK. Then press Ctrl D for deselect. Mouse right click and rasterize layer and again select on this leaves, then go to filter, then blur, then Gaussian blur. Again blur on area, blur on this area. Okay, now perfect. Then click on OK. Now press Ctrl D for deselect. You can select on this area and Gaussian blur. This is just a little bit Gaussian blur. In this time, create a new layer for soft light effect. Now select brush tool and set your foreground color is green and from blending mode select to screen. and press Ctrl T for resize, and it is increases. Again create a new layer and again select your foreground color is yellow and just single one click on your image, and from blending mode select to screen and press Ctrl T for resize and set this another light. And now select on top layer and press Alt Ctrl Shift E for apply current image. Now go to filter, then camera filter. Here increases or decreases as your desire, which is your preferences. And finally click on effects. Here from vignetting area, amount and midpoint must be decreases, and highlight and shadow must be increases. Then click on OK. Now press Ctrl J for duplicate layer and go to filter, then Nik collection, then effects Pro 4. Here select to cross processing filter and select your desired filter which is perfect for your image, and strength increase or decrease as your preferences. Then click on OK. Now go to this option and click on exposure. Increase some offset. Now close it and again press Alt Ctrl Shift A and again select to color balance, and here increases and decreases as you desire. Again press Alt Ctrl Shift T for apply current image. Now go to filter and then camera filter. Here just one click and drag some bottom to top. Again from effects, here is increases decreases amount and midpoint and increases highlights. Then click on OK. This is before and this is after. Now you can save your image. I hope friends you like my tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please share this video with your friends. Please support me and subscribe for more update videos. Thank you. See you next tutorial.